I was just surfing on the Instagram and look the delicious food which I found. This was the sandwich I'm talking about, and it looks so delicious that I want to try this sandwich, and the map says it's only 17 minutes away from my home, from my location. So let's go and grab a bite of that sandwich. Come on! So guys, this sandwich and Preeti Sandwich and Juice Point shop is here. Let's grab this sandwich and have the first taste and the first bite. Let's go! This is the menu card. You can see guys, I'm standing in the kitchen of the Preeti restaurant and my sandwich is here and my sandwich is kind of cooking, and these are the people who are making the sandwich. As you can see, there are many rush outside the shop. Let's try the sandwich. Kitna time lagega bhai? He's telling that your sandwich will take around 10 minutes to cook.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is the sandwich in my hand and it is perfectly the same which I have seen on an Instagram pic, and I'm eager to have this. Let's take one bite of this sandwich. As you can see, just take a look. Oh my god, it's looking so delicious. Fabulous. Outstanding. Don't mind guys, it's so hot here in Mumbai and you're sitting some sweat on my face because I'm sitting on this shop. Amazing sandwich. Amazing sandwich. Totally worth it. I will give you the address link in the description box below, so if you want to come here, you can come here. Check out the address in the description box below. I'm having it stadium.
A few inches later.
So guys, he is the cashier of this hotel and the sandwich was quite good. Thanks a lot. You guys can visit here. It's Preeti Juice Center and Sandwich Shop. So as you can see, I'm going out of this shop now. I must say guys, this sandwich was brilliant. I have never ever had that kind of sandwich in my life, and the price of that sandwich was around 100 rupees, and yeah, it was quite good, but it's kind of costly, so manage. So guys, that was pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye. Thanks for now.